Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is going to be a tutorial of this look, which is a really dark and grungy smoky eye but with accents of purple and a pop of rose on the lids. So I thought this was quite appropriate for spring. You may think otherwise also, but if you want to know how to get this look step by step, then keep watching this video. Okay guys, so as always I've already primed my lids using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. I will now go ahead and trace a black line using my Bourjois Smoky Ultra Black and blend it out. It doesn't need to be a very perfect line, just drag some, because we are anyway going to smudge that out using the smudgy side of that same Bourjois pencil. And using the same smudgy side, I will slightly wing that liner out. Now that the liner is blended, I will go ahead and smoke out my outer corners using a matte black eyeshadow. For this, I am using my MAC eyeshadow in Carbon. I'm using a 217 brush. I will just smoke out the outer corners. Just concentrating most of the color in the outer corner and not bringing it in the crease. And now I will take a purple color, this is Fig 1 from MAC, and blend that black color in the crease. And also like slightly above the crease. Blending it in the outer corner to kind of create a cat-eye shape. And now taking the same 217 brush and wiping it off really well, I will blend that purple crease color, that is Fig 1, which we applied in the crease, up to the brow bone, so that there are no harsh lines. And to get a more blended look, I will take a bit of Star Violet from MAC and slightly pop that in the brow bone. I'm barely touching the brush because I don't want a color, I just want that purple to look more blended instead of any color to really show off there in the brow bone area. Really blend it well using small circular motions. But I'm barely touching the brush, like I'm not pushing it into the skin, I'm just lightly touching it. For my main lid color, I'm using this beautiful purpley taupe color, which is very smoky, from MAC's Mega Metal collection. This is called Unflappable, and I'm going to pop this using my 217 brush again all over my lid. I will now take the same black pencil which we used earlier and line my inner rim of the eye. And now using a pencil brush, I will blend that black liner which we applied in our lower lash line using the purple shade which we used in our crease. That is Fig 1 from MAC. A little bit of star violet in here. I will now take this color here called Prance, again from Mega Metal collection from MAC, and using an angled brush I will apply it slightly on the highest point of my brow arch. And now taking a small angled brush, I will apply that Prance color in the inner corner of my lower lash line. And also in the very inner corner of the lid. I will now take vanilla pigment from MAC and apply it in the inner tear duct of my eyes. And blend it up in the crease. And for that additional pop of sparkle that we have going on our lids, I am going to take this pigment here called Rose from MAC and just apply it on the center of the lids. This pigment is quite chunky, so you got to be very careful while applying it. So this completes our eyeshadows part. I will now go ahead and apply some mascara. This is my La Volume de Chanel from Chanel, and I'll apply it both on my top and bottom lashes. If you want to take this look to another level of drama, then you can go ahead and apply some false lashes. They're definitely going to look good with this look. Okay guys, so this completes our eyes. I will now go ahead and show you what I did on the rest of my face. I will now go ahead and apply a bit of Laguna bronzer in the hollows of my cheeks. I've already hit pan on this, if you can see this little silver spot there. Hairline. A little bit through the jawline. A little bit on the nose. For my blush today, I am taking Plum Foolery from MAC. And apply it to the back of my cheeks to get a nice chiseled base. I'm blending that blush really well. And NARS Albatross for my face highlighter, using this Sigma F55 brush. On my lips today, I am keeping it quite simple. This is Hug Me from MAC. And I will top it with a little bit of my liquid lip gloss. I'm using a brush because I just found my doe foot applicator missing from this gloss. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you liked this really dark and grungy smoky eyes but with a pop of nice purples and rose colors in it. And if you like it, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will now see you in my next video. Bye bye.